We are here in Coca-Cola FEMSA Cebu plant, and we are here to find out how Coke is made of.
Our beverages are primarily composed of water, sweeteners, and natural flavoring. And of course, the number one ingredient of our products really is love. Really the love and commitment of everyone that makes Coca-Cola. Our products really are made up of people. They are made up of a family of people who manufacture our beverages, people who distribute, people who sell, people who supply the raw materials and other things needed for us to produce our beverages. And we are a very, very, very big family.
We will now go behind the scenes of how Coke is processed.
It goes through the uncaser, which actually takes out the bottles from the cases. And then it passes through a bottle washing process, a very extensive bottle washing process to ensure na limpyo ang empties nga among pasudlan sa produkto. Now, after bottle washing na apanay, all surface electronic bottle inspection na kanang automated siya, na mutan-aw yun siya kung napabay hugaw nga nabilin. So, perfect. It goes to the filling area. Pag-abot sa filling area, so makita na ninyo ang pila ka bottles per minute na mag-produce depende sa line. And then, after that, it passes through a date coding. Sa date coding, this is very important because that's where you will know when is the expiry of the product and what plant is producing that product. So you will see it common amongst our products. Ana siya dito. Okay? After that, it passes through another inspection level, the full bottle inspection, which actually tries to look at the high fill and the low fill. Kaya diba, naamag yun na standard ang at what level dapat ang produkto. So naa siya high fill o low fill, so ma-reject na siya. And then it passes through packing again. Ang fulls is sold sa case. And then, kung ato na siya sa palletizer, kaya mga cases, butang na po og pallets. And then, kuhaon na siya sa forklift, butang sa truck, gawas, baligyan isa. So, that's basically how we do the bottling of Coca-Cola.
This is Rowan Torres, USA, Sunset.